So good evening, everyone. Today is the last class of the session, and we're going to talk about YouTube. Before we can get started, if any of you has any questions, basically on anything relating to whatever we have discussed so far in the last 3 classes, you can ask your questions. So I'll be able to answer them now before we get into the subject. If you have no questions, then we will get into the subject. Any questions? Anyone has any questions? Have you tried anything to do with Facebook yesterday? Maybe after that, did you get an opportunity? I don't know. All the material is available in that drive link which we have shared you today. So all the 3 classes, even if you have missed downloading the earlier ones, you can straight away go ahead and download the material today itself. And today's class will also be posted there. Usually it takes some conversion time to get the video ready from the Google Meet software. So it took some time. Yeah. So anything to ask before we can get started? Srikanth, you're ready? I think your camera has a problem. Srikanth, let me know once you're ready. How many of you here have a video ready for uploading it today in your YouTube channel? Is anyone here who has got a video? You can answer saying yes in the chat. You can just say yes or no, whatever. So if you're going to say yes, and if many of you are ready with the video, we are going to anyway show you how it can be uploaded professionally. And if you can also do it today along with us, it will be a good skill that you are adding. Good doctor. We have Dr. Jeevan Ladi who's got the video ready. Dinesh, they're not yet. Okay. Okay. What about others? Okay. And one amazing thing about Dr. Jeevan Ladi is that I was interacting with him, and I believe he has made nearly how many videos, sir? 150 plus videos, is it? Dr. Jeevan Ladi, are you there? You can yeah. How many videos you've got it ready, sir, so far?
55 multiplied by 3 in 3 languages.
That's really amazing. And how much time did you take to do this, sir?
I squeezing time for a little bit whenever it is there. Patients are not there.
Okay. Okay.
In between that resting period, then I was recording.
Okay.
Let's see.
So how much time, like approximately, would have invested in getting, say, this much huge quantity of videos ready? Just approximately.
It's a divided time. So
yeah, no problem.
Overall, you can say 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours. Even if you would have spent, say, even 3 days to 4 days also, it is really amazing. But 3 to 4 hours is really amazing. The trick is very simple, which Dr. Jeevan Ladi acted upon, like which we discussed in the very first or the second session, right, sir?
Correct.
You picked up a point from there, and the point was very simple. You just need to create a 1-minute video, and in multiple languages that you know. And so instead of creating a 35 minutes one video, maybe if you are creating, say, 1-minute video, then you are creating, say, 35 videos. So in that way you multiply it, or 50 videos in that way, and you multiply it and you make so many numbers, and that's really amazing. So creating content is not at all a big challenge today with all your smartphones that you have, the iPhones that you may have, or even other phones that you may have, right? All that is very, very easy. So don't feel hesitant, get started today. So today may be the day that, I'm going to push you to do it. So please get started, with all the information we have gained. All this is going to change. That's the part, right? So all that whatever you learn today is not going to be the same. So maybe say if you think we will learn all these things, maybe we'll act upon it little later. There are certain things for which you don't need anybody else. Like even if there are others to help you, but still you have to do your video. There is no second thought about it, or there is no second way about it. So either somebody shoots the camera to get this video from you, or you yourself organize it and you get the video out. So there is nothing else other than that is going to happen. So let me get started for today. So how we are going to do today's class is something like this. First, Mr. Srikanth here with me, my colleague. He will take you through the account setup of a YouTube channel. And then there are some lot of setups, profile settings and everything, starting from how an account is created and how the content, how the profile setting is done, how the content can be added, how the content can be saved, how the content can be properly managed through proper playlist, hashtags, and there are a lot of tips basically that he's going to give you. So you can patiently understand whatever is being showcased here, step-by-step process, and it is all recorded. What are your views on small PPT kind of video? Yeah, that's also fine. But what kind of PPT video you're talking about? Are you going to present something and you're going to record it? Or it is just like a PPT which is converted in the form of a video and you're going to upload it? I didn't get that part. If you can answer that, then I will be able to tell you more precisely. It will be helpful.
I think it is like whatever information we are giving, we are talking, right?
Yeah.
Instead of that, you put it in the PPT and roll it like a video.
No, doctor, no.
No. Okay.
Does not have a personal touch, doctor. See, unless the hero of the film comes out and only the dialogue is being read, there is no action, right?
Right.
You're the main hero of whatever you do. So when only you come, even if it is a small information or old information, or if it is the common information, only when you come out and give that information, there's an impact. See, otherwise, just to tell you with all due respect to all of you who are here, there is enough and more information in Google, but why do people have to listen to your videos then?
Yes.
Already there is lots and lots of content out there, and we are not going to say something new. Maybe we have done our research and we can bring new perspectives. But the idea is the presentation and the person. That's the most important part. When you are going to deliver the information in your own style, you're going to attract the audience that you want. So information is available, but it is the person who is going to deliver this information, their personality, style, and the way how the information is delivered, that really brings in the kind of that you want. So the information delivery is not a criteria here. The person who is delivering the information is the criteria, and the person gets the benefit through this. That's where the personal branding happens, right? Okay. So if you have any such questions, any such doubts, and if you may think that I'm thinking of something like this to be done, no, you can just like that throw your questions, and I'm here to answer to all your queries. So we have today good enough time. So 1 hour 52 minutes. So we have, so I think we should definitely effectively use this. And I'm here to answer all your queries. Make use of this session to even get your queries answered. Anything relating to digital marketing is also fine. But today is the day, please make the best use of it. Because if you're going to come to me after this session, I'm going to charge you separately my consultation fee. Okay. Hope you would have all read the message which Dr. Sendil was circulating in the group. So somebody was saying that a doctor was going to a party, and everyone in the party was only asking whenever they were meeting the doctor, they were asking for a health advice, and they were having a problem like what is the solution kind of thing, and doctor was giving all free advice to everybody, and doctor got really tired, and then he met one of his chartered accountant friends, and he asked, see, whenever I come to a party like this, everybody's asking me for all this advice, and I give them all free advice. And that's the way how it is. Then chartered accountant friend told him, it seems now, whenever you do such thing, next day, all these people, you send them invoice to their offices so that they know that, it is not free of cost, but it is, consultation that you're offering. And you can always send the bill, and they will know what you're talking about, and they'll not come and ask you like this. And next day, the doctor got the bill, it seems, from chartered accountant, because he was giving an advice the previous evening, right? So that's the way how it is. So just so my idea here is to create informed doctors, doctors who are digitally aware of a lot of things. The doctors who want to take initiatives, but because of some reason they are not able to take the digital side of their visibility much more aggressively. There may be small bottlenecks here and there, or you are not getting started because of something. I just want all of you to get started, and it is very easy. There is no money required here. It is only the mindset which is required. Once you get started, things fall in place. So that's the whole idea behind whatever we are doing. So over to Mr. Srikanth. Srikanth, you can start with first a full practical session. Go slowly, step by step, because so one of the doctors felt little technical too much, but there is no escape. Doctor say there are certain steps which has to be done. You may get the points now, you may not get the points. It doesn't really have to be very hard on you. Only for that, the recorded videos are provided so that you can play it any number of times, or you give it to your staff to do it. But for you, you just get to know what is possible through whatever we are doing, and how much time does it really take to do something like this, or what is the fullest capability of whatever channels you're looking at. So it's just to give you that kind of a quick run through on this entire stuff. You can just sit, relax, and then enjoy whatever we are trying to do here and get the information that you want. Over to you, Srikanth. So you can start with the installation setup and go slowly one by one, and from there we will continue our presentation as well. Yeah, over to you.
Thank you, sir.
I have to give you the screen sharing access. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
I'm making you the co-host. Go ahead, Srikanth.
Hello. Sir, is my voice audible? Okay.
Very much, Srikanth. Please go ahead. You are audible. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Srikanth, you may have to talk little loudly. Come little
Okay,
closer
sir.
to the can talk.
Okay.
The request
Okay.
from the doctor. Yeah. Hope
Sure.
doctor, everyone is able to hear him, right? I think all of you can just say yes, so that we know you're able to hear Mr. Srikanth clearly. Can we have yes in the group, at least in the chat? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Please. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Dr. Satish.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Srikanth Chevuri from BCC Martech. Now I'll explain you how to create a YouTube channel. So for creating YouTube channel, what we required is a Gmail account. So first of all, we need to log in with our Gmail account. So once we logged in with our Gmail account, so here you can see the 9 dots. So these are the Google apps. So here you have YouTube channel will be there. So you need to click on this YouTube one. So once you get into it, so you can see the YouTube interface. So from here, I'll show you how to create the YouTube channel. So here, right hand side, one profile picture will be there. So whatever the profile picture you uploaded in your Gmail account, same profile picture will be there. You need to click on this one, and once you clicked on this, if you already created a channel, you can get into it. So using this link, your channel. If you didn't created any channel, then you need to scroll down. You need to click on the button called settings. So once you clicked on the settings, here you can find your channel. Here down you can see the one more link called create new channel. So from here we can get into the link where we can create our new channel. So first of all, once we get into it, it will ask you to give the channel name. So here we need to give the channel name very clearly. So I'm giving my channel name something like BCC Digital Marketing. BCC Digital Marketing is my channel name. So I'm clicking on this one and I'm creating my channel. So this is my new channel interface. So this is my new channel interface. So once you get into it, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to customize your complete channel. So for customization, what we need to do is, here you can see the one button called customize channel. So YouTube.
Little slow, yeah.
Okay.
For you, little bit slow. Yeah.
Okay, sir. For YouTube, we have one tool called YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is one of the tool from Google where we can edit and upload, complete our content and everything. So once you clicked on this, it will redirect to your YouTube studio. So this is the YouTube studio link. Once I clicked on this button, it redirected to YouTube Creator Studio.
So what is happening is basically these social media tools like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube for that matter, they have created softwares which are inbuilt softwares which are allowing you to do certain tasks much more easily. So with respect to what is happening with YouTube is YouTube, apart from whatever you see in terms of the videos getting displayed and all that, it has a backend software which is provided to people who are uploading all this video, and that software is called YouTube Studio basically. So in the studio, what happens is you can come here as a person who owns a channel. You can have complete control of your channel. It is a complete backend of your channel. Like how you may be using a hospital management software and you log into your user ID password, there you have the complete backend. Likewise, here you have the complete backend. When we say backend, what does it mean? Starting from understanding how much traction your videos are making. Supposing you have added 10 videos, what are these 10 videos views all about? Which one is performing more? Which one is not performing? Who are the people commenting on it? Can you reply to those comments? You don't like certain comments, can you hide certain some of these comments? Or you have to upload some content, how to upload the content? You want to schedule the content, how you can schedule the content? Everything, even starting from like when you have more number of subscribers, you want to make money through the channel, monetization, which a lot of YouTubers do. Everything is under this particular thing called YouTube Studio. So under YouTube Studio, whether you are any big organization or any a big influencer that you are, or even if you are just getting started, for all people at all different stages and levels in organizations, this is the gateway for you to handle, manage, and scale up your account basically. So what do you Srikanth?
So once we get into it, so we can see this button can continue, and here you can see the channel customization. So first section is the layout design, second one is the branding, third one is the basic info. So here I'm just directly getting into basic info. So here my channel name is VCC Digital Marketing, and my handle in the sense like yesterday we created a Facebook username, right? Same similar format here. The word is handle. So here we need to give the proper username. So if this username is available, you will get the green tick. So this is the channel name and this is the URL name. And bottom you can write the complete description. And if you can scroll down, you can add your language and the channel URL, custom URL. And here you can add the links. For example, you have Facebook link. You can click on this one and you can give the title something like Facebook, and you can add the link. So like that, you can add multiple links. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, website, all the links you can add it. So all will come to your Facebook cover, YouTube cover image. So here we can give our mail ID. Giving my mail ID. So here we can give our mail ID. So these are the basic details which need to be filled in the basic info. So here I'll give one of my page URL. So these are the basic things need to be done. So once this basic information is completed, then we can get into branding part. So here we need to upload our logo. Here we can upload our banner image. Here we need to upload our video watermark. Video watermark, nothing but whenever you are playing any video, you will get a watermark here. Nothing but your logo. So that logo size need to be around 150 into 150 size. So here your logo need to be something like at least 100 into 100. Which is less than 4 MB. So here you need to upload all these things. Once this is done, you can get into this layout section. This layout is nothing but whenever someone get into your YouTube channel, they will see one teaser or trailer. So once you added your trailer or teaser here, it will act like a uh, your channel trailer, and one more video will be there. That will be the featured video. You need to add two videos which are doing well, very well, or else you need to add something like your intro videos. So that will act as a channel trailer and also featured videos. And the bottom, you can create the featured sections. Here you can create multiple sections, either short videos, or you want to keep some playlist. You can add all those videos here. So these are the mandatory things need to be done before making the channel live.
You can show the example of one channel wherein this particular part, your basic info, branding, and layout is implemented.
Sure,
And just show them how this looks like. Once they implement this, how it looks like.
sure. So I'll show you one of the channels. So here we just added the cover image to the channel, and we added the 1, 2, 3, 4 links. One is a Facebook link, one is a Instagram link, and one is a LinkedIn link, and next one is a website. We added the link. That's why all links came here. Once you clicked on this link, it will redirect to that URL. We added the channel teaser. I told you right just now, teaser or trailer. This is one of the most performing video. That's why we added this video as a trailer for this channel. And below that, we added the shorts. So we added multiple shorts, and once I customize the shorts, all shorts will come to here. And below that, I added multiple playlists based on the categories, and some popular videos I kept it, and one of the unit complete videos I kept it, testimonials and all these things. And like this, I added multiple hospital playlists. So this is how we need to do this layout designing. So once this layout design is done, you can start uploading the content.
Okay, so the idea here is basically all these features are available to you. It depends on how much you want to add. If you make use of all these things fully, it will look something like this. The difference between a short and a normal video is this. If your video is less than 1 minute, it will be automatically added as a short. So today what happens is anything which is less than a minute, a video has organically more traction than a longer video. If you've already built your fan base audience and you already have a good number of people following you, then this won't matter much. Like any longer length, you add the video and there are going to be people who are going to watch the video. But if you're going to be a beginner and if you don't have much time in terms of creating content, my advice to all of you is try to add as many videos less than a minute as possible. Less than a minute is 59 seconds or even 60 seconds for that matter. Just only go on that range. If you go on that range, then what happens is basically you can use the same video for YouTube. It goes as short. The same video can go as reels in your Facebook, Instagram, so that you can build a very good amount of traction. Because the algorithm which now they have tuned YouTube and Instagram, or whether it is Facebook, they have tuned their algorithm in such a way, anything which is the shorter duration video, they are trying to promote a shorter duration video organically through their algorithm more to have more number of views. So it is better if you're getting started, go for shorter versions. Once you see that the popularity is increasing, more people are actually coming and subscribing to your channels because of these videos, then go for little longer length videos. That will be the right advice for you. Over to you, Srikanth.
Okay. So now I'll show you how to upload the video content. So before uploading the content, once this detailing is done, you can publish the channel. So you need to click on this button, publish, and you can publish the channel.
So it's so simple, just one email ID, and you come here and you add your basics of logo and your name and everything. and some of it is also optional, and your channel is fully ready. It is simple, very, very simple to create an account like this. And after that, only your video addition can happen. So once you need to create an account, then you can start uploading the video. You can observe against Srikanth, you can just show them step by step, very clearly, go slowly on each area for creating a video also. Let us go very.
Okay. So for creating a video, what we need to do is we need to have a proper thumbnail. So we need to create our thumbnail first. So yesterday, as we discussed, Canva is one of the tools where we can create the thumbnails. So here what we need to do is, once you come to Canva, so here you need to click on and search for templates for YouTube thumbnail. So YouTube thumbnail, you know, search for this keyword and you get some layouts. So you'll get so many layouts from here. You need to select any one of the layouts and you can edit that layout. So I did one of the layouts, something like this. I just want to upload one video, which is shared in your WhatsApp group. Let's learn how to create a Facebook business page. This is a video. I just want to upload it. For that, I just edited the template and I created one thumbnail for it. So once the thumbnail is edited, what you need to do is you need to click on this share button and you can download that thumbnail. So I'm just downloading my thumbnail. My thumbnail is downloaded. Just keeping it in desktop. So once the thumbnail is downloaded, next I will go with my uploading process. So from here we can upload the video content. Right side, if you can see a create button, you need to click on the create button. And here you can see multiple options will be there. One is upload video, go live, and a playlist and podcast. So
Someone was asking me about the podcast part of it. If you see this in the latest YouTube part, now that the podcast is becoming more popular, you have this feature called new podcast also. So it's a good thing you can also explore this. But just wanted to point out this particular thing to you. Over to you, Srikanth.
So here you need to click on this button called upload videos. And either you can drag and drop the video or else you can go with the select files and you can upload from your system or laptop. So I just kept all the videos in my desktop. So here is the Facebook page creation. I'm just selecting this video and that video is being uploaded. So it will take some time based on the size of the video will be uploaded. You can see the uploading percentage here. So once the video is uploaded, then Facebook will optimize the video and it will get into HD as well. So for that, your video need to have a good quality. So here the video is being uploaded. As my video size is very less, it's uploading very fast. Yes, it's uploaded. Once uploading is done, it will process the video for HD quality. Once the processing is done, then you can see the preview of the video here. So before that, what we need to do is we need to update all the details. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 processes will be there. First up is the details segment. Here we need to add our details properly. So here I'm giving a
one request has come. You have to go a little more slow, it seems.
Okay.
Maybe when you are talking, you talk little slow.
Okay, sir. So here we have 4 sections are there. One is the detail section. Second one is the video elements. Third one is the checking the video. Fourth one is the visibility. So first step is the detail part. Here we need to add our details. So here we have title is there. This is the mandatory thing need to be done. Description is there, and one thumbnail is there. Next a playlist and audience and show more. So these are the options available. I'll teach you how to upload this video in systematic way. So here I'm giving my title. My title is how to create Facebook business page in less than 10 minutes. Or else how to create a business page is my title for this video. So in description, we need to clearly elaborate that description, and we need to clearly talk about what we are going to say in the video. So those points need to be kept here. Here we have a 5,000 limit will be there, word limit. So next part is the thumbnails. So here two things are there. One is either you can upload a thumbnail image from your system, or else you can choose any of the action from the video. So in video, once you uploaded the video, you will see multiple automated thumbnails will be generated in this 3 sections. You can choose any of those actions, or else what you need to do is you need to upload your thumbnail. As I created my thumbnail in Canva, so I will go with my own thumbnail, which is created in Canva. So for that, what we need to do is we need to click on this upload thumbnail. So it is asking me to add custom thumbnails. First, verify your phone number. Yeah, I'll do this process first. So it is asking my phone number. Text me the verification code. So here you'll get an OTP once you entered your number. And submit. So I verified my phone number. Now I'll get into the same thing. So my video is uploaded and my video process is completed. So that's why 3 thumbnails are generated. So these are the auto generated thumbnails. Either if you want to use these thumbnails, you can use it, or else you need to upload the new thumbnail. So I'm clicking on this upload thumbnail.
It's always best to use a customized thumbnail. The idea is very simple, because one of your videos, whenever you are doing your video, what is the thumbnail? What is the difference between normal image and the thumbnail? Okay, fine. Thumbnail is the cover screen. Can you just go to YouTube, Srikanth? Go to YouTube channel, some YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube page of, yeah. So, yeah. Okay. If you see this, all these images, these are called thumbnails. Like copy one shots is equal to $2,500. So all these things are called thumbnails. Join this episode with Aspire K. Swaminathan. Thumbnail is an image that you are creating which you want audience to see first. It's a very, very important thing. Why? Because in one of your clippings in your video may not say very clearly what is going to be covered in the video. It will only be a screenshot from your video picked up. But if you want to carefully decide what should people, it's like an advertisement or a mini advertisement to your video. So if you can give that very clearly, then it will have a much profound impact. Once you upload that screenshot, like whatever thumbnail which Mr. Srikanth has created, that comes up on the top first. Okay, that comes on the top first, and people can see that first, read it, and then they can click on the video. That increases your visibility of the video. That increases the possibility of more people watching your video. Why? Because they know what to expect in the video because of your customized design. Thumbnail is the first screen that appears on the top page of your on the first page of your YouTube video just before the video starts.
Okay,
so he's added a customized thumbnail now, and that will be the cover page of your video. Yeah,
of my video. So this is how we need to add the thumbnails. If you want to change the thumbnails, even though once the video is uploaded, Then also you can change the thumbnail. Next one is the playlist. So I'm adding my video, but I just want to add my video to one of the playlists where I will keep it in a proper order. For creating a playlist, what we need to do is, here we need to click on the select button and create playlist, new playlist. So playlist is nothing but a group of videos. So I'm going to upload 5 videos for this page creations. So all these 5 videos are what I'm keeping playlist name, something like beginner's guide. So beginner's guide is one of my playlist name. In this beginner's guide, I'm adding all my videos, so that whenever people want to start new channels and new pages, they'll browse all the videos one by one.
So it's a way of grouping your videos to ensure continuity. So for example, in this case, Srikanth is going to make a beginner's guide to Facebook. So all the basic Facebook related information, like starting and creating an account, how to upload a video in Facebook, and those things, he will make small videos. All those videos will be beginner's guide to Facebook beginner's guide 2023. In that way, he will try create say 10 videos, and he can add all the videos in this specific playlist, so that those who are interested in this topic, they would be eager to know once they watch one video, what is the next video. So once it is in a playlist, it becomes very easy. We will show you how a playlist looks. If so, you can create this first, Srikanth, and then show them how a playlist looks from the YouTube. So you go slowly, step by step, create one, show them how it looks like, so that they know the implementation of this feature.
Okay, sir. So I just created one playlist, and here I got the playlist tick mark, and I'm just clicking on the done. So now whatever the video I'm uploading here, it will go to this playlist. So next one is the audience segment.
You can show first what a playlist looks like. Maybe you can go to YouTube and you can show one YouTube channel. Yeah.
So here I'll go with my channel.
No, you can go to any channel just outside. I'm just talking about how someone can see a playlist.
Okay. I'll go with one of the channel. So here, once you enter the channel, so here you have one section called playlist. If you click on this playlist, what they are doing is they are grouping all the content. For example, if the content is related to video content strategy, they grouped all the video content strategy videos here, and social media marketing broadcast, and grow with Instagram Reels. So is one of the playlists. Like this, they created multiple playlists. So in every playlist, there will be a sequence of videos which will guide you step by step.
So playlist is a way to ensure that the audience who are coming to your channel know that you have more content on the same space, and also this builds the loyalty with the audience to come and subscribe your channel. So playlist is a fantastic way to make your audience feel very connected to your channel. And for you also it is easy, like whatever content you are doing on, say for example, relating to cataract, again you can have a separate playlist for cataract. You can have a separate playlist for some other procedures. For each procedure you can have one. For patient testimonials you can have the other one. Just to say hospital related videos, some infrastructure video, you can have a separate playlist on that. So you can have different playlists for different things basically, and different themes.
So once you clicked on this playlist, it will play all the videos one by one. So for example, I just get into this playlist. So this is the first video, and right side you can see the sequence of the videos one by one. So this is how the order will be arranged. So first they are talking about the domain verification, pixel setup, and next they are talking about the business management. Like this, we can keep the playlist a group of videos one by one, so that we can see all the videos one by one. So this is how the playlist feature will be helpful. Now we'll get into this. So once a playlist, we connected our video to playlist. Next, what we need to get into is the audience. So here it will give you two options. Either this video is only for the kids or not kids. So I'm going with the no, it's not made for kids. So here we have a separate channel for kids. So whatever the content we are selecting is, that content will go to the kids YouTube channel. And if you can go down, you can see the one more button called show more. So to click on this, and here you can give the tags. Tags are nothing but the keywords. Whenever people are searching for this content, something like Facebook business page creation or Facebook business page or Facebook, so my content will be triggered based on these tags and keywords. So these keywords are very, very important. So YouTube complete video algorithms are working on the keywords model. So whenever you are browsing one content related to Facebook page creation, so automatically it will the algorithms will show you the relevant content whatever you are watching. So that's why these tags and keywords are very, very important. So here you can give the keyword something like Facebook, one of my keyword, and you can keep the comma, and the keyword will be added, and Facebook business page. You can give the comma. So like this, you can give multiple keywords. So here maximum you can give up to 500 words. So I already covered 33 words in this one. So like this, you can give multiple keywords. So keywords are very important for getting organic view count. So next one is the language and captions certification. So here what we need to do is we need to select our language. So here I'm speaking in English, right? So in this complete video, I'm just going with the only English language. That's why I'm just selecting the English language here, the video language. So English, India, English. Next one is the certificate, caption certification. It's not required. And recording time. I just recorded it at 2 days back. And video location. If I want to give, we can give it, or else it's not required. So license. So automatically it will take the standard YouTube license, and you don't change anything. And remaining all are clear. And category. So YouTube will ask you in which category your video need to be projected. So here I'm going with the one of the category called people and blogs. So my video comes under people and blogs. Like this, based on the category, you need to select this category. So these categories are very important. Like whenever we are creating a Facebook page, we'll give our category, right? Like hospital or clinic or something like that. So these categories are very important for YouTube channel as well, whenever you are uploading any content. So next one is the comments and rating. Here you can give the access for people to comment, or you want to restrict something, or you want to hold all the comments for review, or you want to disable the comments. So here you have multiple options are there. You need to select any of these options. So as a default, what we need to do is we need to allow all the people to comment in our videos. So I'm going with the first option. So next one is the sort by top. I just want to keep all the best comments on the top. So these are the basic details which need to be filled whenever we are uploading a video. So in detail section, I completed all my detailing section. Then I'm going with the next. So already my video is uploaded and this checkup is completed. And here I got the blue tick as well. So whenever we upload a content, what it will do is first it will upload the content. After that, it will optimize and to HD quality, and it will check the content. For any violations, it will show you the violation. Violation in the sense, for example, you are using one of someone's audio or someone's music, someone's content, then it will show you the copyright issue. So if there any no copyright issue, it won't show anything. So in my video, there's no copyrights. Only my personal video is there, and I kept my thumbnail. So that's why there's no copyright issues here. And once this detailing is done, you need to click on the next button. So this is a very, very important topic. So video elements. Video elements nothing but I uploaded my video. In my video, people are not understanding my flow. So I just want to add my subtitles to my video. Then what you need to do is you need to click on the button called add subtitles. So I'm just going to upload few subtitles. For that, what you need to do is you need to click on the button called add. So here my video will come. So here we have multiple options will be there. One, either you can type manually. Second one is the auto sync. Third one is uploading a file. So if you have a file or a second spice, you can upload that file. Or if you don't have any file, you need to click on this button called auto sync. Here what you need to do, you need to type on it. So whatever you're typing, I'm just typing some content. So this is my content. So here it came. I just want to keep that in the starting of my video. Why? Because starting only I'm giving my intro. So what you need to do, you need to click on this. You need to drag to the first. So here my intro is there. So here you need to keep your subtitles like this. You need to add the subtitles and you need to place your subtitles properly. So whenever you're going to the video, you need to add the proper subtitles, whatever you are speaking there. So this is how we need to add the subtitle part manually. So once this is done, you need to click on the done. So here you need to completely add the subtitles from starting to ending. So I just clicking on the done button. So then my subtitles are added here. So next one is the add end screen. End screen is very important. Why? Because our video is going to complete. Before completion, I just want to ask my subscribers to subscribe my channel. Or else I just want to say to my subscribers saying that next video is available. So for that, what you need to do is you need to add the end cards or end screens. So here you need to select on the add button. It will show you the placement where so this is my video placement. Here you have the multiple end cards will be there. First end card is the one I can add a video here. I can add my subscription details here. So if I clicked on this, that portion will be added. So during the end of my video, I just want to add the subscription one and also this one. So like this, you can drag and drop. So here what I'm doing is at 7 minutes 23 seconds, I'm adding my subscription button here on the right bottom corner, and the left corner I'm adding the best viewer video. In my videos, one of the videos is doing well. That video will be automatically come here. So that once this video is completed, they will go to this video. So that's why we are adding the end screens. If you don't want to add any end screen, you can discard these changes and don't select anything from here. So, and if you don't want to add any subtitles also, it's fine. You can click on this one and you can remove the subtitles as well. So clear the subtitles. So this is how we need to add the subtitles, or if you don't want the subtitles, you can remove the subtitles as well. Next one is the end screen. Here also same thing. If you want to add any screen, you can add it, or if you don't want, don't select anything. So these are the some options available. Once this is done, you can click on the next button. So here, when I uploaded my video, it completely checked my video, and there is no copyright issues. If there any no copyright issues, it will show it like this, and you can proceed with the next. This is the last step. So here, visibility section. In this visibility section, before publishing, it will show you how your video look like. So if you want to check it, you can play the video and you can see the video. This is our thumbnail, and I'm just playing my video, and audio quality is also fine. Screen quality is also good, and I'm proceeding with publishing. So if you want to share your video to your friends or someone, you can copy this one from here and you can share it. So here what I'm doing is I'm publishing my video now. So during my publishing video, here we have multiple options will be there. One is a private. I just want to publish my video, but I don't want to show that video to everyone. I just want to keep it in my channel, that's it. So then you can go with the button called private. So here you need to select on the private button. So this video will be uploaded to my YouTube channel, but it won't be shown to anyone. It will be shown only for me whenever I logged into my account. And you want to give access to anyone else. You want to show it to some one or two people. Then what you need to do is you need to click on the share privately, and you need to add their mail IDs here. For example, I'm just adding my mail ID. And once you selected done, notify via email. Once you click selected done, the one mail will go to them, and they can click on that link and they can see that video using this mail ID only. So like this, you can give access to the private videos using this feature. If you don't want to give access, you can come out. So this is a private video part. Next one is the unlisted video. So anyone with this link can watch it. So there will be no privacy for this video. So anyone with this link can see that video, but it won't be listed in your channel. That is the second part. Third one is the public. So if you can click on this, everyone can see your video. So basically everyone will go with this one. Why? Because they are publishing the video to show it to everyone else. So that's why we need to click on this button called public, and we can publish the content. So here one more thing is there, that is the instant premiere. You want to publish the video at particular time, then you need to go with the button called schedule. So during schedule, what will happen is I just want to upload my video, not now. I just want to upload a video tomorrow 10 o'clock. So then what I need to do is I need to select on the date and time. I need to select on the date and the time, and I need to go with the publish. So what it will happen is the video will be uploaded, but it will go live at this particular time. So from this time onwards, people can see your video. So here scheduling is there, and instant posting is also there. So like yesterday we saw posting Facebook and Instagram postings. Scheduling option is there, instant posting is there. Same pattern here also we have instant publishing is there, and also scheduling is also there. So I'm going with the public, and I just want to post it now. I'm clicking on the button called publish. So once you click on this, you'll get this button. So my video got published. And if you want to share it to your friends in Facebook or Instagram, you can click on this one, and you can this video will be opened in your Facebook account, and you can share to your friends. Or you want to share this link, you need to copy this link from here, and you can share it with your friends in your Facebook or Instagram or your WhatsApp. And we need to click on the button called close. So this is how we need to upload the content. So once you upload the content, you can see your content from here, content section. Ask me and I will clarify. So here my video got published, and it's public visibility is there, and everyone can see my video.
No, we cannot see your screen. Okay, only now it is coming here. Yeah, it's coming now. You can show from the general audience how somebody can see your video. This is the background.
Okay then. So
from another browser or whatever.
yes, sir.
Just go to the channel and
From other channel, I just get into this BCC marketing channel. So once you get into channel, you can see the interface something like this. So here subscription button will be there. Here my uploaded video will be there. So this is how the thumbnail will look like. Once you come to here, and once you click on this, your video will play. And my video will be there in this one. And as I kept in playlist, it will come to my playlist as well. And as I added my details, my details also will be visible here. So this is how this video interface will be shown to everyone else who are browsing your content.
Click the video one more time. So you can click the video, just play it for
So once you
seconds.
clicked on it, so your video will be played.
Okay, you can stop it.
So the thing is, clarity is very important. So that's why we need to upload the high quality videos. So I just uploaded a very low quality video. The size is around 32 MB. So you need to upload the minimum quality, something like 100 MB, something like that. So then the quality will be very high, and it will look like a full HD image video.
If any questions, anyone has any questions? I believe there was a question, and if you can ask your questions now, we'll first clarify this part before we go on to the next part. Or if you're not clear with some elements that we showed to you today, you can ask us. We can clarify on those aspects also. You can ask your questions if you may have any questions. Still, the channel is not shown on YouTube. Okay, you have created a channel, Doctor. If you have created a channel, it has to show. If it is not showing, please share your screen. We'll try to take a look at it.
No, I mean the same channel, the BCC, which Shrikant created now.
Okay.
So that channel I tried to search on YouTube.
Search it may
So
take
it
time.
take time or?
Yeah, sir. Since he has created only now,
Okay.
search may take time. Only for that he used the URL directly.
Sure. Thank you.
You can share the link, Srikanth, just in case somebody wants to
Sure.
go.
Sure.
Dr. Jeevan Laddy has uploaded a video, I believe, and it's very easy to upload. You can also try it, and if you don't want the video to be there, you can delete the video. Srikanth will also show you how to delete a video. Yeah. So okay, if you have any questions, you can ask us, or we go to the next part. Were we slow and consistent? I don't know. Maybe if you tell us if this flow is okay, if the space is okay, we'll continue with the same flow and pace. Okay. Thank you, Doctor.
This is okay.
Okay. Dr. Dinesh Garg also just raised his hand in between. Doctor, if you're there, please ask your question.
That was just by mistake.
Okay, sir. Thank you. We could create a video. Okay. Pallavi Prabhu. Doctor, you have any question to ask, or I couldn't understand this comment? Dr. Pallavi, okay, no question. Okay. Okay, then, fine. Flow is okay, fine. So let us proceed to the next part. So Srikanth, just to show one channel which has the end card added properly, where there is a continuation. Simple things, some of them may know it already, but for the benefit of others, like how this entire setup looks like once the implementation happens. And then you can start your presentation. And even in the presentation, go one by one slowly, so that we can cover a lot of these aspects. And once the video is also anyway recorded, so we can move over the subject one by one. Yeah. Go ahead, Srikanth.
Okay, sir.
I have one question.
Yes, Doctor. Go
Yes,
on.
In Canva, when you create a thumbnail, it will be downloaded as JPG file?
JPG, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
JPG.
If you want to do any experiment now also, you can do it and check. If you have any doubts or if you're stuck up somewhere, we can help you out. Okay. Over to you, Srikanth.
Okay, sir. So I'll take you through one of the channel. I'll show you how we uploaded the content and everything.
Yeah, please.
Yes, yes. So here I'll take you through one of the channel. So for this channel, we uploaded some content. I just want to show you the content as well. So for getting into channel, you need to click on this one. You need to click on this button, and you can go with the channel. And here you need to click on this one, YouTube Studio, and you can go to the YouTube Studio as well.
Slow. Go slow, Srikanth.
So here in one tab, I opened my channel. In one tab, I opened my backend YouTube Creator Studio. So this is a channel we created, and here this video is playing, not the system.
This is a featured video. So you keep one video which is like crowd puller for you, or which describes about you in detail, or which could be your hospital video with infra, whatever. That becomes the video which comes here.
So here what we did is we kept one logo here. So you can see the logo here. This is one of the end cards. So what I did is I kept this card from starting itself. I just want people to click on it, and I just want people to subscribe for my channel. That's why what I did is I kept this end card throughout the video. So once you added the end card, it will come something like this. Just a second, sir. Just a second, I'll share my. So is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's loaded.
Okay, sorry. So this is the backend of the complete channel dashboard. So here, as I showed you before, so once you added the end cards, it will show something like that. So throughout the video, if you want to keep the end cards, you can keep it. Or if you want to keep the end cards only at the end, you can keep the end card at the end. So this is my end card. I just want to show my logo throughout the video. And here one button is a subscribe button. So once a new customer come to my channel, I just want to show it to everyone. That's why I kept the end card here and the subscription button here. So they can directly click on this button and they'll subscribe to my channel. So this is the end card thing, and I'll show you the backend dashboard. So once you uploaded the content, you can see all this interface insights and everything. So this is the complete dashboard for the channel. So here you can see the latest performance, latest video performances. So it will take you 10 videos, whatever you uploaded in the page, and it will give you the ratings for that. Something like total count, video count, impressions, whatever the video is performing well, that one will come here. And here you can see the subscribers. So for this channel, we are getting subscribers in an organic format. Why? Because this content is going viral. So for that, what we did is we used the proper keywords and the thumbnails and everything. So here you can see the insights for the channel. And last 28 days, we got around 1.9K. And total watch time, people watching 26 hours. You can see the top videos in the last 48 hours. And you can see the published videos. And you can also see the subscribers who are subscribing to your channel as well. And this is the dashboard. And here, if you can see the content section, whatever the content you are uploading here, you can see all the complete content here. So if you want to delete it, you can delete the content from here itself. So I'm getting into content section now. So these are the videos we uploaded on day by day, 13th, 11th, 8th. Here you can see the dates as well. And here you can see the view count as well. Here we got some view count of something like 51,000, 14,000. And here you can see all the insights for the videos as well. So these are the videos we uploaded. So in these videos, if you do any post, you can see the post here. So if you uploaded something like any playlist, you can see the playlist here. So these are the playlists we created, and for this playlist, we have around 20 videos are there. For this playlist, you have 2 videos are there. So like this, we segregated the videos based on the category wise or hospital wise. So all these videos are public, visible to public. And we also have some videos which are private. So that videos also we kept in the channel. So here we can see all the content which is uploaded in the YouTube channel. So using this content in this content section. So these are the complete videos. And here we have the private videos as well, which will be shown to only some people. That's why we uploaded the content. And we just gave some access to others. So next one is the analytical part. So if you get into analytical part, you can see the complete insights of your channel. So this is the analytics. So this is the overview of the analytics. Just a second, it's loading now. Yes. So here you can see the complete analytics in the last 28 days, and see everything is in green. So here view count is very good, and here also you can see the lifetime analytics for this channel as well. So in this dashboard, in this channel analytics, you can see all the analytics for the page, total view count, total watch time, and total subscribers. And here you can see the graph as well. And if you can scroll down, you can see the topmost performing content as well. So these are the topmost performing content in this channel. So, and these are the some latest contents we uploaded for this channel. And here you can see the live count. So if you can click on this one, you can see the live count, subscribers count. So whenever someone subscribed, you can see the update here. So this is a live count screen where you can see the count increasing or decreasing and all these things. So here this is a live count. If you keep the screen something like this, you can see how the subscribers are increasing. So this option is also available in the analytical part. Just closing this, I'm going back again. Okay, so this is the overview, right? Here you have the content analytics will be there. What are the video content we are uploading? What are the shorts we are uploading? So for all those things, you can see the content insights. So why we browse all this analytics part is, so what are the content is performing well, we'll come up with a similar content. So that's why these analytics are very, very important. So here you can see the views, impressions, and you can see the videos, top performing videos. And here you can analyze this percentage part, how much percentage the video people are watching. And you can see all these details. And through which channels you're getting traffic. So advertising, such external websites or external pages, you can see all the channels from where you're getting the traffic as well. And next one is the audience segment. So here you can clearly see the audience. Geographies. For example, here you for this channel we have around 91% Indian audience are there, and from Sri Lanka people are watching it, Pakistan people are watching it, Iraq people are watching it, and Bangladesh people are watching it. So here you can see all the geography-wise insights. So video content, you can see the video content, and also you can see the shorts as well, and also the cities, the language, gender. So all these things you can see. So here more people English, Spanish, Italian. So all these people are also watching this channel, and also you can see the age group and the male female count as well. So here in this 125 to 34 is the maximum age count. 24% of videos are watched by the this segment. So these are some insights available in this audience segment. So these insights are very, very important. So for our channel, based on our targeted segment, we need to build our target segment, something like that. So here we have one more option called advanced audience. Advanced insights will be there. That also I'll show you now. So here you can see the button called advanced mode. So if you can click on this advanced mode, you can see little bit in-depth insights. So here multiple sections will be there. One is the content, topic source, geography, cities, age, gender-based, and subscription status, and you will have multiple insights will be there. You can see all these insights in this advanced mode.
The idea of showing all this is basically like when you go and click these features, you don't become alien to all these things. It's like we have already taken you through this so that it becomes familiar to you, so that it is not something very alien. And all these are not, may look little advanced to some, and these are like once you start using it or once you start knowing it, it becomes very easy because they have created this for people in all the parts of the world to use it. So it is going to become very, very easy. If this part is over, you can go to the presentation, Srikanth.
Okay, sir. Yes. Just a second, sir. So once this is done, I'll show you a few more options available in the YouTube channel. So after that, we'll get into the presentation part.
Yeah. And if you want to edit an uploaded video, doctor, the answer to this is you can't upload an edited video. So you cannot upload and then edit a video. So you have to re-upload another video. So that's the only way to that. So you can't replace it as such. If any of you has any questions, till then you can ask us now.
Hello. We have some surgical videos and we sometimes edit these and got it edited from somebody maybe. So we can of course upload those or
The surgery videos, doctor, the problem with surgery videos is that, if it shows too much of blood and all that, Facebook, in the YouTube sometimes does not allow you to publish such content, very sensitive content. So if your surgery videos don't show much of blood, but, if it is taken in such a way wherein only there is an explanation and, the blood and a lot of other sensitive information is not showcased, or if it is edited that way, then you won't have any issues. It should look very pleasing to some extent, and it should just be having a very smooth flow instead of showing very hard stuff. So if it is done that way, then it is safer, because even people prefer to you see something which is little pleasant and smooth, especially if they are getting educated to undergo such a surgery or recommend somebody. Then the video has to look something like that.
so in fact it's best not to place those kind of videos. Those should be only for
The criteria is it's good to have such videos, but you have to edit them well, and they have to take the videos well. Then you will have a smooth thing. It is good to have something like that, because a lot of people are interested to know exactly what happens. It is like, doctor performing a surgery and explaining something like that. A lot of people want to see.
So can we record a video and then overlay the voice and
Yes,
subtitles and all that?
yes. Everything. Like, for example, first record the video whatever you can, and then edit the video properly, wherein only very crucial aspects are shown, and then you can have your voiceover on top of it, and then you can publish it. The lesser the duration of the video, it is better, because sometimes when you show surgery videos, it becomes way too long, and it becomes after a point little boring. So even if it is say 1 hour long surgery, or I'm just saying, for example, it's a little longer surgery, try to show it in 10 minutes, wherein you can put some subtitle, or you can voiceover say that this took 20 minutes to perform, and then right after that this is the next step forward, something like that.
Okay. No, because most of the times all of us we tend to record these videos for our surgical conferences and other things.
Yeah.
It will be just about 3 to 4 minutes after editing and all. So
Yeah.
can we just upload these in the YouTube channels, or we should not be doing that?
That's what. See, if supposing it is a patient sensitive information, of course, patient details are not supposed to come out, and it has to be with the consent properly. So there are those areas that needs to be taken care. But from the content perspective, which is there, yes, there is a very big demand for the content, but that content can be uploaded wherein have the other parameters in place, the consent and other things, and you mostly don't disclose the patient basically. And the way how you disclose the information also happens to be like a very general typical case, something like that, wherein you don't show much of very very detailing stuff. But the idea of creating such a video is to say that the person is really capable to handle such things, and also the procedure is something that very supportive towards that particular disease or the problem. It should only be that much.
Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. Over to you, Srikanth.
Okay.
You can start the presentation. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'll go with the presentation. Is my screen visible?
It's getting loaded. Yeah. Go to you. Yeah.
Okay, done. So this is a percentage of
You can keep the screen in slideshow mode
yes, sir.
so that it becomes bigger. Yeah.
Okay. So let me take you to the presentation part now. So here I kept all the points in step-by-step manner.
It's still getting loaded. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's clear. Please go.
So these are some insights from YouTube as well. So they're saying 72% of the show, I mean, small businesses feel that they're getting started with the YouTube is very easy. And 65% of the small business owners with YouTube channel say that they can showcase their products and services very easily. And 85% of the viewers turn to YouTube for fresh content. So daily we have so much people watching the video content uh, in either YouTube or in Reels format or any of the formats. So video content is more viewed in all the platforms. So YouTube is one of the platform from Google. So that's why we're getting more insights and we're getting more mileage for the video content.
Another point to understand is there are still even the same common questions. People still are trying to find out answers for that. Like anybody talks on the subject, still people look at it for answers. For example, we work with a lot of fertility centers, and there's this one common question: how to get pregnant naturally. For this question, even if say 100,000 doctors also create videos and start giving replies, still a lot of people in those respective geographical locations are going to look out for answers. They just want to know basically, is there a way out for this, or what is the right way? Maybe start collecting opinions. So there are some classical questions for which even the latest replies, even if the question is the same, but people think that the answer may be different, or the person who is answering adds a lot of value or authenticity to it. So you don't have to think that somebody has already asked this question and there are a lot of people answering that question. If the same question is being circulated, then it is better for you also to create an answer for the same question and then give it, because which means that there are some questions for which there is a very big demand or hunger from audience to look out for information. So that is the curiosity to know the answer is never going to die out for such questions. So when you find such question, then it is a question for you to give an answer. Yeah. Go to you, Srikanth.
Yes, sir. So in this presentation, I kept I took the 7 topics. One is how to create a YouTube channel. Next one is customizing the YouTube channel. Third one is uploading a video content. And the fourth one is 10 tips for YouTube SEO to rank your video, and for organic traffic, you need to follow some YouTube SEO tips. So we added some YouTube SEO tips here, and some tool suggestions also we gave, and some analytics are there, and some best practices for doctor video, doctor content, educational content. So these are the topics I'm going to cover in this presentation now. So first one is the how to create a channel. As I showed you now, same process. You need to create your Gmail account, Google account, and you need to click on this button called new channel through the settings, and you can give your name to the channel, and you can complete all the details using this customized channel button. So you need to click on this customized channel button, and you will get into YouTube Studio. There you will fill all the basic details and branding part. So in the branding part, you need to add your logo, your banner, and your watermark, and layout design options. Here you can keep your trailer, your feature video, and sections. You can arrange the sections as well. So all these things can be done in the channel customization.
So what we're trying to do here, Srikanth, what we're trying to do here is in this presentation also, we're just trying to take you through the same methods in a step-by-step manner, so that even if you miss it out, you can come back to this presentation. You can go through this, and again you can follow our video, and you can do it yourself. Supposing you've not done it so far. Go to you, Srikanth.
Yes. So next one is the channel customization. As I told you before, we can add the video content something like this as a channel trailer and also the featured video as well. And if you want to create the playlist, here also you have the option called the new playlist, and you can click on that one. You can add the playlist as well. So as I showed you before, you need to give your title and you need to create the playlist. So this is how we need to keep the playlist order. So here 4 playlists are created, and for every playlist one name is given, and all the videos are kept in a proper order. And once you created the playlist, you can see the playlist something like this. The interface of the playlist will be something like this. And uploading a video content. As I told you before, for uploading a content, you need to click on the button called create on the top of the right corner. And after that, you need to select your file from your computer. And here you have the 4-step process will be there. One is the details part, where you need to give your title, description, thumbnail, you need to connect your playlist. So you need to do all these things in the detail section. Next section is the video elements. Here you need to add the subtitles and cards, and you need to publish the content. So next one is the you have some tips are there. So these are the top 10 tips need to be followed whenever you are uploading a content. So one is the rename your video file using a target keyword. So I just kept my title as how to create Facebook business page. So Facebook business page, Facebook is my keywords. So insert your keywords in the video title. I already added it. I showed you before. So optimize
got
the
a screenshot for each one, right? I think you can go through that. This is how it is, right? Yeah.
I got the points, and so
Okay.
here I just added a one point. So this is one of the keyword. So HubSpot is one of the keyword. So for all the HubSpot users who are browsing the content, so this video will be shown. That's why we added one of the keyword HubSpot here. So like this, we can add the keywords, and this is a playlist format. So like this, we gave top 10 SEO tips. So you can go through one by one. So all these tips are very important for getting your video SEO done. So here I took some screenshots for your reference, and here I showed one difference for one targeted keyword in the title. Create a content marketing plan in 15 minutes. Content marketing plan is the targeted keyword. I just want to target people who are searching for the content marketing plan. That's why I added the keyword in the title. And in the description, in my description, for example, Instagram ads is my keyword, or Instagram is my keyword. Then what I will do is I'll write Instagram ads or Instagram advertising, these multiple keywords in my description. That's why whenever someone is searching for these keywords, I'm just giving the different variations for the keyword. So this is one of the example for that. And here we have the checklist for that for our YouTube SEO. So what I did is we collected some checklists which need to be followed. So first one is choose a targeted keyword for your video, include keywords in the file. So all these things are mandatory things need to be done.
So this basically has, before you upload, just go back, Srikanth. So basically, if you want to upload a video, just before you can upload the video, follow this checklist properly, because some of it will be optional from the YouTube side. So you would have heard of, Google SEO. So somebody is typing something in Google and it comes up on the top page of Google. The same is applicable for YouTube also. Nowadays, what people do is like, Srikanth, you can just go to know how to perform, how a cataract surgery is performed. Go to Google and just type this thing. How cataract surgery is performed. It's done. Okay, then. You can try that. Not a problem. It's done. Yeah. Scroll down. See, if you see here, when a question is being asked, no, instead of Google picking up the websites, it is going to the YouTube channel. We didn't even mention YouTube. You can go to that all section, Srikanth. Keep it all first. Just see if you're able to see some videos. If you don't see, then we'll here you see. So that's what I was trying to say is instead of picking up the replies from the websites, the standard texted replies. So what Google is doing is Google is going to YouTube for information on the topic, and from there basically it is picking up a video, and then on recommendation it is giving you the basic spots basically of the same video. So the idea here is whatever you are going to do with your video, YouTube video, if you are going to use proper SEO style, what is presented here in the presentation. Can you go there, Srikanth? Adding the right title, right tag. This, if you follow this checklist which is given here, which is again the basics of whatever we discussed so far. It is just only a summary of this, adding the hashtag, adding the end card, and then adding subtitles, adding a customized thumbnail. So all these are the points which we just discussed, So if you follow these things properly, this itself acts like a proper SEO. So once it happens like a proper SEO, this SEO is going to help you in two ways. One, anyone who's going to come and search in Google, it's very possible that your video can come up in the top position of the Google search results. That is one. Number two, if people are going to YouTube itself to go and search for a specific content relating to the topic that you have created, then it is very likely that your content comes up on the top listing of the YouTube channel. So coming up in the top listing of the YouTube channel itself is a very big thing, because people who are coming there for consuming content is very huge in numbers. So make sure that you follow this checklist. This is actually the blueprint for you. If you follow this much, it is enough. Create a video, follow this checklist, and your work is done. The rest all is only to help you understand few more aspects. Now we are going to show you some tools, just an understanding of it. You don't have to think too much about it, but just know what is what. What do you see?
So here we're suggesting some tools. So one is a keyword research. We have to free tools are there, paid tools are there. So free tools in the sense in Google we have Google Keyword Planner is there. That is a free tool. Ahref Keyword Planner. This is a paid tool. So like this, we have a free tools are there, paid tools are there. So using those tools, what we can do is we can search the keyword and we can see the volume of the keyword. How many people are searching on monthly basis or daily basis. So based on that, you can add you can prepare your keyword list and you can add those keywords in your videos.
So you can add the keywords in your video, and also if you see there is one particular keyword which is like trending, any particular topic people are searching more in numbers, and you want to create a content on that particular topic. Through these tools you can find out. Ahref also you can use it for a limited duration. Initially, if you have a Gmail ID, you can use it for a trial version to understand more about it. Or you can use Google Keyword Planner also, wherein you can get more information. This is for the next step. The first step is you don't have to be worried about all these things at all. Since it is a master class, we are giving you all these ideas, but you don't have to be worried about all these things. If you're in the first stage, first create the content, upload the content, follow the checklist, your work is done. You keep going on even for months together. You don't have to be worried about anything. But if you want to grow your channel further and you want to understand what people are thinking, what is trending now, which has more number of search volumes basically, then you dig little deeper. Then you go to such kind of tools which has ready-made information on topics relating to anything that you want to ask for. This will give you a lot of topics, and this will also tell you how many people are searching for these topics. So from here you pick up ideas. What do you
So this is one of the tool, and next one is the Canva. For creating thumbnails, we suggest you to go with the Canva, or if you have any paid tools or if you have any designer, you can go with the designer as well. So for you to create it, Canva is one of the best tool, as I showed you before. Same something like that, you can create the thumbnail and you can download the thumbnail and you can upload the thumbnail as well. So next one is the content strategy. So here also we have some tools are there. One is HubSpot is one of the tool, and the next one is the data mining. Data mining in the sense this complete checklist optimization. So for this also we have some tools are there, and for productivity also some tools are available. So instead of depending all those things, you can go with the YouTube Studio. Here itself you can upload the content, and here you can change the content headlines and everything. So YouTube Studio is one of the free tool where you can cover all these things. Or if you want to go with the paid tools also, paid tools are available. So in YouTube Studio, so as I showed you before, for getting into YouTube Studio, what you need to do is you need to click on this right side top icon, profile icon, and you need to click on that YouTube Studio, and you can get into the analytical part as well, content analytical part. So once you click on the analytical part, you can see all the insights as I shown you before. So here, this is the advanced analytical part where you can see the content, traffic sources, geography, and everything. And you can also download your insights. The top download button will be there. You need to click on the download button. You can download all the insights of your channel. So it will be download something like this. So these are the some report processes. So these are the analytics available in this YouTube Studio. So we'll get into the next topic. Next topic is the type of medical practice marketing videos. Here we have some different type of videos are there. These are the some formats. One is a promotional video content. Next one is the educational video content. So promotional video content, we can show the office tour. So we can show our staff or doctors, and we can show our offers or patient testimonials. For educational content, we can come up with the this with one topic and a procedure, FAQs. We can make all these videos. I'll show you some examples for this. Before that, let's get into this one. 5 video ideas for healthcare practices. Here we have one very good blog post is there. I'll take you through this video once. So here you will get some best practices for healthcare.
Till the time it loads, basically, so there is a question which says it is about, if you want to search for a particular geographical area, say North Karnataka, how do we do it? Doctor, you can ask the tool which we have suggested you. That tool itself will tell you which all geographies, whatever is the search volume. So apart from that, if you want to know more specifically, you can even go to this Google Keyword Planner, which is again a free of cost tool. For that, you don't have to spend any money. Only thing that you need is a Gmail ID. Once you have a Gmail ID, you can log in, you can search for Google Keyword Planner. There you can type whatever you want. Instead of just saying North Karnataka, you have to be very specific which part of Karnataka you want to check the volume. So you specify the locations, and for each location, there will be a volume, the list of keywords and the volume, search volume for each keyword. Over to you, Srikanth.
Okay. So here we'll get into 5 healthcare promotional. So we'll take you through this video once.
We can't hear you. We can't hear this video, Srikanth. Is there an audio issue?
Sir, audio is not.
There's no audio, is it? This video?
Yes, the audio is there, sir.
No, we can't hear anything in this audio.
Yeah, we can't hear anything. Yeah.
I'll do one thing. I'll share this link in the group.
Yeah, you just say here to me. Maybe I will just see if I can play it around here. I think I may. Yeah, share the link in the group. Yeah. Let me just check if I can play this. It's saying it in WhatsApp. Is it okay? Yeah, yeah. So, okay. Can all of you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, yes, very much.
Can you just hear this? Let me know. Could you hear the music?
No,
Oh,
no. No,
No. You can't hear that?
no.
Okay. Where from then the problem is? I don't know. Because I can hear this very clearly. Maybe the. Just, no, is it? No, you couldn't hear that, right?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. We will share that link in the this thing.
I
Maybe you
think
can.
your mic was off.
My mic was off, is it? No, my mic was on. Just let me just try one more time and see if you are able. My mic is on now. Okay. Why you can't hear? I don't know. Was that clear? No. Could you hear that? No, right?
No, sir. You hear it in the groups.
Not even a faint.
No, we can't hear anything.
Okay, then I think there's a problem with respect to we are not able to play a video here. But maybe from this website they have done some blockers. What I don't know. So we have shared the link one more time. The idea is just to show you that there are different types of video which could be created, and that's what he was trying to illustrate. I've shared the link. Maybe you can try to check it once, maybe in your own screens. You'll be able to see that it is just a very short duration video, just for say how many minutes it is. Just for 2 minutes video it is.
2 minutes.
So you can take a look at, you can take a look at it and later on also, no problem. But we'll give you a summary of what that video is all about here. You can go to the next part, Srikanth.
So here we have few more video formats are there. I just collected some videos for your reference. So this is one of the video where they're giving the clinic tour or hospital tour.
Can you just play this video if you can hear it? Let us see, because there was a private video, there's a YouTube video. Even this we can't hear. You are able to hear?
Yes, sir, I'm able to hear.
How's it?
I could hear that video in my screen.
Ah, that's the thing. I could hear the video in my screen, but when we are trying to show you, it is not coming in.
We'll do one thing, sir. I'll share you this presentation. So here I collected some video formats. So this is one of the video where it will talk about this clinic tour. It will take you through the clinic and they'll explain you what's there in the clinic. And the next video is about the doctor intro. So here the doctor is giving his intro. So this type of video content we can upload it in our YouTube channels as well. So
Because there are a lot of people who ask me basically like how to do an intro of a hospital or a clinic basically, and how do you show things around. Even if you have a local camera person there, you can give them these specific videos, and then you can ask them to take it in a style which is closer to this. That's the whole idea.
So this is one of the video format for a doctor intro, and this is one of the video format also for collecting testimonials. So this is one of the format from Apollo. So this is how they are using this shooting the videos. And next one is talking about the treatment or surgery based patient testimonials. Here in this video, she is talking about how she got cured and so all the success story she's talking about it. So like this, we have the multiple references are there. So in this presentation, we kept some references for you. And in this video, they're completely giving educational information about the type of the equipment. So like this, we can do multiple video formats and we can upload it in the YouTube channel, where we can promote this or publish it. So in our website, you can keep that video, YouTube video, whatever you're uploading in the YouTube channel, and also you can share it in our social media handles, and you can also advertise this video content. So if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask us. We'll clarify.
I've just downloaded one video, Srikanth. Let me just play this downloaded video. If you're able to do that, good.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Just let me know if you're able to see this. And you're able to see my screen, right? You all are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes, very much.
Can you hear this? Could you hear the music?
No.
But anyway, there was only music. Only the video you can see, even there's no talk yet.
Sure, sure. Voice is cracky.
The audio is not.
The idea is basically a lot of hospitals, they may have like a very good infrastructure, but what happens is they don't even show their infrastructure properly. But in other cases, even if there's a small clinic, very beautiful photographs and very nice presentation, basically, that really makes up look like as if it is very nicely done or it's very big. My suggestion and advice to all of you is, like, if you have a setup, whether it is big or small, it doesn't matter, but you need to definitely do a good video. Ask the local videographer to come forward. Srikanth, meanwhile, what you can do is you can take the links of whatever you have showed in the 4 videos,
Sure.
put those individually as links in the WhatsApp group,
Sure.
apart from them being there in the presentation. So
Sure.
my suggestion to all of you is, like, get the local videographer in and ask him to take a proper video of your external, internal, the entire space with the staff, people, and the consultant doctors and everybody. Because the very important thing, people today, before they could take a call or a decision, they want to know who you are. And unless they see it in a video or a picture, they don't really build trust. Sometimes, it so happens that, you are really very well established, but simply because you don't have a good communication through these visuals, and people don't really, connect with you that easily. Only your old patients, your old referrals, and, only that system is there. The new people who are, coming in and who are searching in the net, they are not able to really get that feel about you. So that's it from our side. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask us now. There are only 9 more minutes to go, and we are having all this content loaded in the drive. Even today's content will also be loaded in the drive. It takes some time for conversion, maybe say in 2-3 hours, or tomorrow morning you will have that loaded. So over to you, Dr. If you have any question, and Dr. Alpa after that.
Yeah, actually, I work in an organization, but
Yes,
I still have my own website.
Okay, Doctor.
But I don't have a Google page. Matlab, I was having a Google page, something happened, and Google actually blocked my Google page. So after that, I think last 4 or 5 years, I don't have Google page. Now I have lost my patient's testimonial also. So can I use my old testimonials and keep it in on my website?
You can do the doctor. You don't have to worry about anything with respect to Google. The thing. If you are going to start, say for example, you lost something, doesn't matter. That doesn't mind. You don't have to matter. That doesn't really matter. You don't have to wait for that. In that case, you can even start an account today because you are anyway having so many OPs every day. So even one testimonial in comes in and it's going 30 days, 30 testimonials. So you will actually exceed your number of testimonials more than what you did last time. So my request to you is, don't leave that as it is. Please start one and start continuing with that one part. Number two, yes, of course, whatever testimonials you are getting, either through Google reviews or through a written testimonial, all that you can keep it in your website.
Okay.
Okay. Over to you, Dr. Satish.
Yeah. A nice presentation till today. One more thing which I liked is idea of the video tour.
Yeah.
Getting a video done is a really nice idea to upload and make it more visual sort of. My question is, suppose now, generally speaking, to create your presence in the vicinity, if you're making your videos or communication through regional language, vernacular language in Marathi, in Maharashtra, suppose, then how can be it affecting my SEO? As because that is in the Marathi, those words are. Then
that's what I'm coming to. Don't think Google is English. Google is
that's true. But suppose somebody, okay. You mean to say searcher, the person will also search in Marathi if he's interested in.
Exactly. So Google is not English, first of all. Google is the person who is searching the net, which means that Google knows all languages. If the person is searching in Marathi, and if there is less Marathi content, that's where I'm asking you all to go for regional languages.
Regional languages.
Why? Because in regional language, the competition is less. Before it picks up, you pick up the game. That's the whole idea. And also it is more connecting, because what happens with respect to health is, like people go to blogs, they read a lot of stuff and they get confused with so many things happening. And if they are able to, see one video which is there in their mother tongue, then even if he's a very educated person, knows English very well, still wants to go through a video in the regional tongue so that they don't miss out even one single aspect there, because it's about their health. They don't want to take a wrong advice and follow the tip. So if it is there in the mother tongue, it is like double the assurance for them. Yes, I see karna hai. Whatever, basically. The double the confirmation comes and the person is like 100% sure as to what it is.
Okay, thank you.
So we have 5 more minutes. I just want your feedback. Supposing someone can give a video testimonial about this class, I just want Dr. Sendil to see it, so that Dr. Sendil feels that the class was valuable, and maybe he can organize such programs in future on various other topics. So open to all of you. Maybe one by one, you can give open your camera, or if you don't want to on your camera is also fine. But I want a testimonial from you. If you like this class, please give me your feedback on this class, please. Dr. Satish, you can start.
Sure. Happy to share. Overall experience of the 4th session was quite nice and quite understandable. Very, the pace was moderate to understand. Technicalities were made simple by the speaker himself, your colleague from BCC, and initial 2 sessions by Dr. Ilyas. It makes our work more easy to penetrate into the world of digital marketing and ethical digital marketing of the medicine practice. Till today, we were thinking that this can't be a sort of ethical per se advertisement, but within the gambit of legalities and without being in prejudice or sort of a title as a marketing, we can penetrate to the end user very nicely in such Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channels with our own efforts, and saving lots on the giving to the agencies which are definitely going to exploit us for the same work. Overall experience was nice, and it was a different idea altogether. I think it was a necessary thing at this point of time, as I can vouch for, because I had purchased that book of written by you just recently, thinking it in that mind that we should be working on this part now, and incidentally this session happened to me. Overall experience was very nice. I will promote and I will share your thoughts also with my colleagues. Thank you very much. Thank you to you personally, Doctor, Mr. Ilyas, and your team. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Doctor. That means a lot, actually. So thanks for purchasing the book. That was a big surprise for me. Anyways, a sweet surprise. Over to you, others. If you have any queries, or if you have anything, any feedback about the program, please, you can come forward and we can give you feedback. Dr. Badri?
I found it to be really very eye-opening, sir. There was so much of information, and it was all connected and explained. So it was not just information, but you gave the connection, the explanation, and made us understand. So that really I appreciated, how you made us understand how it all works and how it's all connected with each other. And the other thing which I liked is you pushed us to take an action. You pushed us to record a video. So today, for the first time, I recorded a video and I'll upload that. But I did it just before this program started. And because you insisted I finished the video and only then I joined the program. So I think that was very nice that you made us do something, take action. That was also a very big plus point. So I really enjoyed this program. I didn't understand many things, but it really pushed me to get into this and understand a little bit more. Thank you so much for explaining in so much detail and taking all the troubles.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Doctor. That really was very wonderful to hear it. And anyone else here wants to talk about?
Ilyas, it is very nice, informative. And in fact, I've also purchased that book.
Oh,
it got delivered last Saturday. I think the basic problem with all of us is that we spend a lot of time with the patients, and but in-depth knowledge of what we are doing and how we can initiate into digital space is very helpful, and I'm sure it will go a long way. And at least even if we hire somebody for this particular thing or hire some agency, at least we'll know where we are right and where we are wrong. And this today's YouTube program and other things in the past, they were all eye-openers. I thank Senthil and team from BCC for all this, and we expect a lot more of these kind of programs in future. Thanks for everything.
Thank you very much, sir. I believe that in a lot of doctors here, Dr. Senthil also gave me a personal intro. This doctor is so and so, this doctor is so and so, a lot of things. So all of you are like treasure house of knowledge, and I can understand. Like only that treasure has to know. You have to make it open now. Like you have to start communicating. In single word, it is all about the mindset. If you have to take one takeaway from this class, digital mindset. Even big industries. We are working with one of the organizations. They have a 5,000 crore turnover. It is from another industry. They're into hardcore manufacturing, B2B. Having made such huge investments, they still don't have one single person for digital marketing. And I just wanted to prove that this really works for them. And there was a lot of argument, board level meeting to just prove a point which the whole world is accepting today. Digital marketing works, but still we took it up as a challenge, and then in 3 months that challenge was accomplished. Now the entire team is now thinking that they should have a separate department. See, all hard work these people are doing today, you don't have to do that much hard work. Earlier, you have to appoint a PRO. The PRO has to go to so many doctors and tell about you. You don't even have to do that. No, people are going to ask you. That's what is happening. So, idea is have a digital mindset and just go, just keep going forward. As I told you in one of my sessions, one secret formula of one doctor which is there who's there practicing in a very, very small town, which is more like a village, I can say. His YouTube channel subscribers are more in number than the topmost brand in Tamil Nadu on IVF. Okay, And this person here is spending crores of rupees. That person is not even spending, say, even 1,000 rupees. But he is having so many views. This person is not having. It's all about content. What the doctor is doing, as I told you, every single patient he meets, and when he sees there is a pattern and a lot of people are asking the same queries coming to him, he is preparing a video on that topic. And some of the best videos that they have created are more on the topics of the medical terms. People pick up these medical terms, go and search Google. Instead of there, you come and search in my channel. You know, I am giving an explanation. All that is in regional language. So regional language really works. Think about it. Is there anyone else who wants to give any feedback, or do we close?
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, I
Dr.
just want to ask one question. If we are planning to see, anyway, this practically for us to take over this is very difficult. If we have
Yeah.
to choose a person outsource, how do we know that this is the right person? He's really doing the work, because I have burned my hand, like they never do the work. Keep paying, there's nothing results. Okay, analysis, one thing we can see, you showed the graph. Other than that, how do we keep look that they're actually working on our
There are few things, doctor. This would be a good thing for all of you to understand, even whether you are working on it or your staff is working or your agency is working. You need to know basically certain things which are very important. First thing for that, what you need to do is you need to have a cloud telephony system, which I told you in the previous session also. A phone call that records everything. So it's a very simple basic software that you need to have. Why you need to have that? Today you need to measure your impact on your digital. How do you measure the impact on digital? One is if you are getting more number of phone calls, because today people make phone calls to come to you. So if you are getting more number of phone calls, you can measure here clearly. Say you got only 10 phone calls so far every day. Now after doing all these activities, you are able to see 15 phone calls are coming, 20 phone calls are coming, which means that your reachability or your visibility is increasing. So through that you can measure one. Number two, when you have a website, you should make sure your website has a chat or you have a inquiry form, because a lot of your activities, either you do a camp, whether somebody is your PRO is there on the ground trying to do some publicity, or you are trying to do some videos, the reflection of this comes in a call or your website. The third thing is, whenever you get a patient on ground, try to ask for the source of the patient. These three things will first help you understand where from the patients are actually coming, or is there any traction at all. Maybe there are a lot of people calling you up. They may not turn up you for an appointment, but at least you should know that people are calling. When you're doing an activity, there is an increase. And we don't do an activity, there is no increase. So that you need to know. With this, you can actually figure out the real impact of what is happening with your promotions, whether it is digital, offline, or anything. Number two, so there are a few areas that you can actually look for, whether it is an agency or internal or you yourself. So once you know this impact part, which I told you, the second thing is about the metrics. So because of this, your Facebook likes are increasing. Because of this, your Instagram followers are increasing. Because of this, your YouTube followers are. These are digital metrics. May not result in revenue directly, but these are like popularity metrics. So there are only two metrics that you need to look at. One is the digital metrics, which talks about your online digital growth as such. Second is the real impact in terms of the patient inquiries, which happens through the phone call or your website or your direct footfall that happens to your organization. Only these two things. If you measure this consistently for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months, and see the results, then you know basically whether it is an agency, you yourself, or your staff, are they in the right direction or not. If they're not in the right direction, then you will not have this traction built. It's a very simple way to evaluate. So no queries till now. So I think most important hurdle to take further step for start managing your content is proper format so that it is visible. Also repeatedly in day in day out preparations, but we are not using this for potential. Maybe that too without expending anything great inside. Okay, and that was just a comment from Dr. Hemant Patil. So we'll conclude this program. I have taken 5 minutes of yours. It's a very precious time, I understand. So we will conclude the program today. I would request all of you to share your feedback on the overall 4 sessions in the group so that all others can understand what has happened here. And I will also share a recording of this and the presentation, which has all the video links. So thank you very much for spending your time. It was really, I really enjoyed all the 4 sessions, because for us also, like when I'm trying to prepare and come to the program, I'm also trying to go through several references and trying to make it more updated. So thank you very much for this learning process through you, basically. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Srikanth. Yeah, thank you all.